Hello, Chef here, and today I've got just a couple of the superfoods you should be eating. Fresh strawberries, bananas, eat a lot of them, and watermelon. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Now this happens to most people, that's why I'm touching on the subject here. What to do with old strawberries, just like these. Okay, so when the strawberries get a little bit old, a little funky, it's real easy what to do with them. You want to make a strawberry sauce. Okay, these have been washed. Step 1, you trim them up. You remove the tops and any bad spots you come across. And then once you trim them like that, just give them a little slice like this. Okay? Okay, the strawberries have been cleaned and sliced uniformly. Got a hot pot here. I'm combining about an equal part of sugar with a little bit of vanilla bean in there. Madagascar vanilla bean. And equal parts of water. Okay, about like this. We're going to let this simmer. Okay, and here's the strawberries after about 15 minutes. We're going to use the immersion blender and very quickly give a puree. Looking really good. Oh yeah, that's a really nice strawberry sauce. And this could be used in the cakes, pies, tarts, or fillings. Wow, it's good. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor right there, and keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. You can use these vanilla beans to make your own vanilla extract. The recipe's on our site and chefdepot.com. A few of our chef friends. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.